Welcome to DS Study channel, and today we are going to start chapter 2 exercise 2.2 page number 41 books page number. Okay, number 14 given here. Before 14 whatever 1 to 13 I given in before videos only, previous video, then you just go to back and you watch the video, then you will be get 1 to 13. Okay, now we are going to start here. Question number 14. 14 is what? 4 by 5th of a number is 6 more than 2 by 3 of the number. What is the number? Then we have to find the numbers. Here told that 4 by 5th of a number, any numbers, is how many? 6 more than 2 by 3rd of that number. Then what is the number you have to find? Then at first we will be consider the solution. Okay, let the number be x. Okay, then according to question will be what? 4 by 5, 4 by 5th of a number, the number x means it will be multiplied with 4x. After that equal to how much? 2 by 3rd, no, means 2 by 3rd of the number means 2x, more means plus 6 here. Okay, now it will be, this will be x time, we will be take this side to 4x 5 plus, then it will be minus 2x by 3 equal to remain 6. Now 3 and 5 take the LCM. What do we have to take? 3 and 5 LCM. Then what will be? Only 3 and 5 means 3 into 5 equal to 15. LCM will be 15, means 15. By 5 you divide 15, 3 means 3 into 4x minus. By 3 you divide 15, how many? 5. 5 into 2x equal to 6. Now 3 into 4, 12x minus 5 into 2, 10x by 15 equal to 6. Now this 15 will go this side, then it will be into only. That means 12x minus 10x equal to 6 into 15. Now 12x minus 10x means 2x equal to 90. Now x equal to how much? 90 by 2, because this is into, this will become, then what will be? Divide. Then means x equal to, if divide, then we will get 45. Okay, then we have, therefore the number is 45. Understood? 15 number. Find a rational number which when multiplied by 4 by 3 and then subtracted 2 by 5 from the product gives minus 8 by 15. Here told that you have to take any rational number which when multiplied by 4 by 3, multiply by what? 4 by 3, and then subtract 2 by 5. Subtract means minus from the product gives, then answer will be, how much will we get? Minus 8 by 5. Minus 8 by 15. Okay, this will be the answers. Means first condition, you have to, any rational number you have to take, you have to multiply this number. After that you have to minus this, then answer will be what? Minus 8 by 15. Then what is the rational number we have to find? Okay, so solution. Let a rational number be x. Then first is multiply, means according to question 4 by 3 into x with rational number, minus what will be? 2 by 5. Then answer will be what? Minus 8 by 15. Okay, then now here see, if we multiply this means 4x by 3 minus 2 by 5 equal to minus 8 by 15. Okay, then now if we take the LCM, then what will we get? Otherwise we take this 4x by 3, then equal to what? Minus 8 by 15. This minus, then this will be plus 2 by 5. Now 4x by 3. Now here take the LCM, 15 and 5. Then what will be? 5 times 3, 1 means 15 will be the LCM only. Then 15 divided 15 1 means 1 into minus 8 plus 5 divided 15 3 into 2 means 4x by 3 equal to minus 8 means here LCM will be what? 15. Okay, then 15 divided 15 1 into minus 8 again 5 divided 15 how many? 3 times 3 into 2. Okay, then now 1 into minus 8 plus 3 into 2 6 by 15. Now again cross multiply, no? Otherwise you take 4x by 3. What will be here? Minus 2 by 15. Is it? Now 4x, this is divided, then this will become then into, no? Minus 2 by 15 into 3. Now 3 cut this, what will be get? 5 times. Okay, then x equal to what will be? Minus 2 by 5 into 4, because this is into, then this will become then divide, then 2 1 time 2 time, then what will be remain? X minus 1 by 2 5 is 10. Okay, then this is what, therefore the rational number is minus 1 by 10. Okay, this is our answer. Next, 18 number. A fraction has denominator 4 more than its numerator. If 6 is added to the numerator and 6 is subtracted from the denominator, the fraction is 11 by 3. Find the fraction. Then here told that a fraction has denominator 4 more than its numerator. Whatever the numerator, 4 will be plus in denominator. And the second condition, if 6 is added to the numerator and 6 is subtracted from denominator, the fraction is 11 by 3. Find the fraction. Okay, then what? Solution. Let numerator is how much given? Let numerator be x. Okay, then denominator equal to how much? Here told that now what is the numerator? It will be plus 4. Then numerator is x, then plus 4. Then it will become the denominator. Okay. Now according to question, what will we get? Fraction. This will be numerator means above and denominator means down. Okay. Now second, if 6 is added to numerator, 6 will be at numerator means plus 6. And 6 is subtracted from the denominator and denominator minus 6. The fraction is how much will be give? 11 by 3. Okay, then already 6 x plus 6 and x have plus 4 and minus 6, then what will we get? Minus 2 equal to 11 by 3. Then already you know that you have to multiply what? Cross multiply means 3 into x plus 6 and 11 into x minus 2. Before already I explained this will be what? Cross multiply. Okay, means 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 6 18, 11 into x 11x minus 11 into 2 22. Now 3x it will plus, then minus 11x it will be minus 22, it will plus, then it will be minus 18. Means from 11 it will be 3, then minus 8x, it will be minus 22 minus 18 means minus 40. Then minus 8 will be go this side, then it will be what? Divide and cancel minus minus. 8 how many times? 5 times, means x equal to 5. Okay, now therefore numerator equal to how much? X means 5. Here we taken numerator x now, so it will be x value will be the 5 only. Now denominator denominator equal to what? X plus 5. Sorry, x plus 4 given. We taken what? X plus 4. So here also x plus 4. Then x value is 5 plus 4 means 9. Okay. Therefore, the fraction equal to what? Numerator will be 5 and denominator will be 9. This is the answer. Okay. Now, here one thing I want to say again, that whatever I done today, this will be the only for the exercise 2.2. Okay. And suppose such types of question number 16, 17 not done, question number 19, 20, 21, 22 also not done. This no need, so much not importance. Whatever the important things I will be discuss here. Okay, don't worry, means whatever the you need and whatever you have to learn, that things I am going to discuss here. Okay, now again I am saying to that those candidates are new, please you subscribe that you can get the next video. Okay, and like, comment and share to with your friends, families and relative also. Okay, thank you for watching, and if any doubt will be found, you say me, I will of course solve your doubts. Okay, then in comment box you must be comment if any doubt will be found. Okay, thank you.